Okay, ladies and gentlemen, one program after the other, one cultural performance after the other, and we present a mosaic of Indian culture right here at Panorama India Independence Day celebration. We are getting ready for our next dance group. And our audio engineers, if you're hearing out, let's be ready. Now it's time for Indian classical dance, a group which does the creation story, Adi. A story of every mother. We have delicately choreographed this masterpiece which represents story of female starting from birth to death. Different emotions. Can we please have on stage the very talented Nimrati Dance Group? Ocean Photography is taking very good videos, really good angles of mine, so I have to thank them, else they won't put me up. I know, I'm joking. All right.
नारी नाजुक सी दिखे पर तूफान है वो, हर दर्द में छिपा अरमान है वो, जो खुद टूट कर भी मुस्कुरा दे, ऐसी एक पहचान है वो।
Wow, look at that.
लहू से पीकी थी चुप्पियों की जुबान, उसकी चीखे पे दीवारों में दफन थी हर शाम। अब हर आंसू तलवार बना है, जो टूटा था वो वार बना है।
आई गिरि नंदिनी नंदित मेदिनी विश्व विनोदिनी नंदिनुते, गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोदिनी वासिनी विष्णु विलासिनी जिष्णुनुते। भगवति केचिति कंठ कुटुंबिनी भूरि कुटुंबिनी भूति कृते, जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। अयि गिरि नन्दिनि नन्दित मेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दिनुते, गिरिवरविन्द्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते।
अब वो नारी नहीं चेतावनी है, हर अन्याय की अंतिम कहानी है। अब वो दुर्गा है, अब वो चंडी है, वो स्त्री अब ज्वाला की पुकार बनी है, जिसे कल मिटाने की साजिश थी, आज वही शक्ति की परिभाषा बनी है।
So, ladies and gentlemen, that was Nimrati Dance Group for you. Take another bow. You guys did an awesome job. And they were on the feet. One dancer was still on her way. It was like the Hindi movies. Just at the last moment, you jump onto the train. And that's what they did, and they gave an excellent performance. Our next performance is, I can see a little bit cloudy right now. Do you guys want the rain? I don't. You guys don't want, we want the sun, right? But guess what? Our next group are a very talented group who are putting a tribute to the rain gods. We have Shamla Dance Academy, who are doing a fusion of Bollywood and semi-classical, putting an ode to the rain gods. Hope they don't bring down the rain, but I have no doubt they'll give an excellent performance on stage. Presenting Shamla Dance Group for Panorama India Independence Day celebration. Let's have a round of applause for them.
गिली माटी के चल घरौंदे बनाएंगे रे हरी भरी अम्बी की डाली मिलके झूले झुलाएंगे रे हो धन बैजू गजनी हल जोते सबने बैलों की घंटी बजी और ताल लगे भरने रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 छम
Wow, that was Shamla Dance Academy. How beautifully they performed without a single drop of the rain. क्या डांस किया गुरुज, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए ठोको इनके लिए. Thank you. Okay, that was Shamla Dance Academy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us go to one. Let me take you guys on a flight to different parts of India. Let me take you to a state which has the Statue of Unity, the state of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Which state I'm talking about? How many people can say? Once more, louder. Gujarat. Representing Gujarat today, we have Beat Breakers, a vibrant and energetic Garba performance by not one, not two, but 6 talented girls. The beats that bring the spirit of Apno Gujarat into life. Presenting Beat Breakers here at Panorama India.
બમ પાંજરું પહોળું થયું
એક સજ્જડ બંબાજરું પહોળું ઢોલ 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 વાગ્યો વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ ભાઈ વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ 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 હે મારા મીઠાના રણમાં વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ મીઠાના રણમાં વાગ્યો રે ઢોલ પહોળું થયું રે પછી પહોળું થયું પહોળું થયું રે પછી પહોળું થયું એક સજ્જડ બંબાજરું પહોળું થયું એક સજ્જડ બંબાજરું धिन कड़ाक आजा और के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे हाय ढाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे हाय ढाय धाय धम धाय धिन कड़ाक आजा और के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे हाय ढाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे हाय ढाय धाय धम धाय हाय ढाय धाय धम
Wow! Hey, केम छो? जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए. The first Gujarati performance here in Panorama for today. Ladies and gentlemen, seems like Panorama India, just like it started with Shamla Dance Academy, I think. It's a tribute going on to a maestro who just visited our city on the 12th of August. He was here in Scotiabank Arena. I don't know how many of you been to his concert. I missed out. But वो है हमारे हिंदुस्तान के संगीत के मनोहर मेहमान, one and only A.R. Rahman. So one more tribute to A.R. Rahman is coming up, this time in a Kuchipudi style. We have Kalakshetra Dance Academy. The students present a vibrant Kuchipudi dance performance, a tribute to the iconic A.R. Rahman, to his very famous song, Vande Mataram. Presenting in front of you, Kalakshetra. Thank you.
जैसा कोई नहीं है,
It's a wow!
दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पा दिलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम।
and gentlemen, I think A.R. Rahman can't have a better tribute, and Panorama India have done a fabulous job by inviting Kalakshetra Dance Academy. Should we give them claps just by sitting? I think they deserve a standing ovation. With the hula hoops, with a kind of composition like Vande Mataram, they deserve this. दोस्तों, बारिश ऐसी हो कि समंदर में तूफान आ जाए, लेकिन तालियां ऐसी हो कि हमारे इस पैनोरमा इंडिया में जान आ जाए. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए एक बार इनके लिए. Great tribute. Excellent, Kalakshetra. Jai Hind. Thank you. Our next group is a semi-classical group from the state of Tamil Nadu. Dancing divas, all aged from 12 to 14. Young, passionate dancers who are showcasing the versatility or the mosaic of the great country of India. Right now here, Dancing Divas for you. Tell me a number. 5443.
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणाम्बुरासी धीं तारा धीं धीं तारा जतुलतो प्राणमे नाट्यं चेसे गतुलतो नामशतं मूल नकुलतो नापैननी चुकुआ पेला वराहरूपं दैववरीतं वराहरूपं दैववरीतं वरस्मितवदनम्
My God, what a sequence! Can we have a round applause for Dancing Divas? They showcased A lot of India's cultural heritage on dance right there. Look at the trident, look at the goddess there in the middle. That's what the beauty of India is about. Different cultures, different languages, different food, but all blended together. Making India a powerhouse, greater every year. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we will move on to Kathak Tarana. It's a dance group founded by Rashmi Mishra, a Toronto-based organization dedicated to preserving and promoting Indian classical and folk dance tradition while fostering cross-cultural heritage and community engagement. This group offers year-round training in Kathak, folk and Bollywood. The performers in this group are Sangeeta, Pushpita, Enakshi, Hema, Pankti, and the artistic director, Rashmi Mishra herself, presenting in front of you in Panorama India, Rashmi Academy of Performing Arts, RAPA.
Deen tan dere tare tadre dani 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 deen deen don 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 tare tadre dani deen tan dere tare tadre dani deen deen don tare tadre dani deen tan dere tare tadre dani deen deen don tare tadre dani tan dere na deen tan dere na deen tare tadre dani go tare tadre dani go ni do na dere na dere na deen deen dere na deen deen dere na deen deen dere na dere na dana dere na tare tadre dani deen deen dere na deen deen dere na deen deen dere na dere na dana dere na tare tadre dani dere na deen tan dere na deen tare tadre dani go tare tadre dani go ni do dana dere na dana dere na dana dere na
So that was Rashmi Academy of Performing Arts. Can we have a round of applause for them and the artistic director herself? Kathak Tarana. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are enjoying the flight to all over India, let me take you to a state which is known for its very well built, very intelligence on the fortresses, a state which has the financial powerhouse of India, a state which didn't bow down to atrocities. A sword came up of a great fighter, the one and only Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Which state I am talking about? Can we have it loud? Which state I am talking about? Maharashtra. So representing the state of Maharashtra, a tribute to the great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, we have Chhawa.
भूमिं विश्वतो वृत्वा दन्तिष्ठत्र शाङ्गुलम्
इंद्रजिमी जंब पर राघवसु अंब पर रावण स रंब पर रघुकुल राज है। पौन बारी बाह पर शंभुरती नाह पर जो सहस बाह पर राम गिजराज है।
हृदयात माऊली रेते ससावली गडकोटे रावणी शिवशंकर हा युक्तीची मंत्रणा युक्तीची यंत्रणा कळदुष्ट दुर्जना प्रलयंकर हा
सुष्टांच रक्षितो शत्रूनि खंडतो भावंड भावना संस्थापितो ऐसा युगे युगे स्मरणीय सर्वदा माता पिता सखा शिवभूपतो
गावा ध्रुवदंड पर चीता मृगशुंड पर भूषण वेतुंड पर जैसे मृगराज है
तेजतम अंश पर गंडजमी कंस पर धूमलिच्छ वंश पर शेर शिवराज है। जय भवानी जय भवानी जय शिवाजी।
हे अभिनांत अशा शिवाचे त्रिशूळ आम्ही त्या भैरवाचे आम्ही निळकंठ विष पिऊन मोडितो वैऱ्याची मोंडकी मोजून चंडीची ती प्यास मराठे दुर्गेचे ते हास्य मराठे लिसेला अडवा जाऊ नको रे फाडून पल्ल्याड जाती मराठे रक्त अस्त्र वज्र ज्यांचे वार गाव दन त्यांचे ढाल तेगीची खण 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 मनी स्वराज्य दन 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 शिवरायांची अन मराठे जिजामातेचा मान मराठे ओढत जाती शत्रू सारा भगवाच्या तळात रोवे मराठे आले मराठे आदिनांत अशा शिवाचे मोडितो वैऱ्याची मुंडकी मोजून पाचाई सोडते असे मराठे आले मराठे आदिनांत अशा शिवाचे मोडितो वैऱ्याची मुंडकी मोजून पाचाई सोडते असे मराठे
Jai Bhavani! Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. So that was Chhawa Marathi dance group bringing the glory of the great warrior Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Of course, representing the state of Maharashtra, and what a glory they have brought to stage. Chava Marathi Dance Group. Let's have a picture time with them, with one of our board of director, Milan Verma, right there. We have our next group very soon. Our next group is Nartana Kuchipuri Dance School. They are going to present the Kuchipuri performance here on stage. Ashtalakshmi Kuchipuri performance is a graceful portrayal of 8 forms of the goddess of wealth, Goddess Lakshmi, each symbolizing the unique blessing like wealth, courage, and knowledge. Through expressive abhinaya and rhythmic footwork, these dancers bring each divine form into life with elegance. The performance celebrates spiritual richness and feminine divinity in a classical tradition, presenting Nartana Kuchipuri Dance School. Can we have the track for Nartana Kuchipuri Dance School? Okay, pause. And they were checking if it's the right track. And let's go 0, say restart.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि। चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्रा जयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Excellent performance by Nartana Kuchipudi Dance School. A picture time with our Vice Chairperson and our Board of Director Milan Verma. Picture time with them. Next performance, once again a tribute to the great Shivaji Maharaj. This time by another group from Kitchener. We have Kitchener Mitra Maitris Mandal, KMMM, MMM. Once again, they're putting a tribute to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj right after this. That was a Kuchipudi performance. Now Kitchener Mitra Maitri Mandal for you. Jai Bhavani! We have one of our excellent BODs on stage, Mr. Pushkar Goyal, cheering up the audience. So that's Mitra Maitri Mandal for you, MMM. A tribute to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषाः सहस्राक्ष सहस्रपाद ॐ स भूमिं विश्वतो वृत्वा दन्तिष्ठद्दशाङ्गुलम्
कंस पर हंस पर शेर शिवराज है। जय भवानी, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी, जय शिवाजी, जय भवानी, जय भवानी, जय शिवाजी, जय शिवाजी।
Wow, look at that! Jai Bhavani! Great performance by Mitra Maitri Mandal. Can we have a round of applause for them? And look at our braveheart Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj on stage, holding his scimitar up, rising against all atrocities, giving the whole subcontinent a jitter. If you do wrong to us, you better be ready, because Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj is coming with his army. Yeah. We are moving on to our next performance after this, after M. Mitra Maitri Mandal. We have Kuchipudi Nrityalam Foundation, the classical performance of Kuchipudi by them. Bharat Mata Ki, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Ki. Okay, all the dance groups, please take your pictures right after the program, because we cannot delay the pictures after that. We are very tight on scheduling. And if you guys want a selfie with Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, I took one backstage. Hardly I'll get the chance. So right now presenting Kuchipudi Nrityalam Foundation for you. They are going to present a classical Kuchipudi recital for you.
ಧೀಮ್ ತದ್ದಿತ್ತಂಗಡತಗದರಿಗಡತಗಧೀಮ್ ದಿತ್ತಂಗಡತಗದರಿಗಡತಗದತ್ತೆ ಧಣ್ಣತ್ತದ್ದಿಂದ ದದ್ದಿ ಧಣ್ಣ ಜಣ್ಣು ತತ್ತಿ ಧಣ್ಣತ್ತದ್ದಿಂದ ದದ್ದಿ ಧಣ್ಣಂ ಜಣ್ಣು ದಿಂದ ದಿತ್ತ ಜಣುತ ತಣ್ಣತ್ತದಿಂದತ ತಣ ಜಣುತ ದಿಮಿತ್ತದಿಂದತ ತಣ್ಣತ್ತದಿಂದತ ತಣ ಜಣುತ ತಣ್ಣತ್ತದಿಂದತ ತಣ್ಣಂ ಜಣುತಂ ತಣ್ಣತ್ತ ಜಣ್ ತಣ್ಣತ್ತ ಜಣ್ ತಕದಿನ್ನತುಂ ತಕದಿನ್ನತುಂ ತಕದಿನ್ ತದ್ದಿಗಿದ ದಿದ್ದಿತ್ತೈ ದಿತ್ತೈ ದತ್ತರಿ ದತ್ತತ್ತಾಗಂ ದತ್ತಾನು ತಕಿಣ ಕಿಣ ತೊಂಗಡಿಕುತೊಂ ತದಿಗಿಣತ 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 ತಾಂಡವ ನೃತ್ಯಕರಿ ಗಜಾನನ 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 ತಾಂಡವ ನೃತ್ಯಕರಿ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ತಾಳ ಮೃದಂಗ 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 ಧಿತ್ತಂ ತಕಿಟ ಧಿತ್ತೈ ಕಿಡತಕ ಧಿತ್ತಂ ತಕಿಟ ಧಿತ್ತೈ ಕಿಡತಕ ಧಿತ್ತಂ ತಕಿಟ ಧಿತ್ತೈ ತದಿಂಗಿಣತ 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 ತ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ತಾಳ ಮೃದಂಗ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ಧಿಮಿಕಿಟ ತಾಳ ಮೃದಂಗ ತಧಣ್ಣ ತಜಣ್ಣು ತದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ಕಿಡತಕ ತರಿಕಿಡತಂ ತಧಣ್ಣ ತಜಣ್ಣು ತದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ಕಿಡತಕತರಿಕಿಡತಂ ತಧಣ್ಣ ತಜಣ್ಣು ತದಿಮ್ಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ಕಿಡತಕತರಿಕಿಡತಂ 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 ಧಿಮ್ಮಿಕಿಟ ಧಿಮ್ಮಿಕಿಟ ತಾಳ ಮೃದಂಗ ಧಿಮ್ಮಿಕಿಟ ಧಿಮ್ಮಿಕಿಟ ತಾಳ ಮೃದಂಗ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಾಳಧರಿ ಗಜಾನನ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಾಳಧರಿ ಗಜಾನನ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಾಳಧರಿ ಗಜಾನನ ತಾಂಡವ ನೃತ್ಯಕರಿ गजानन ताण्डवनृत्यकरी तेजसकोटि सुरगणधाटी तेजसकोटि सुरगणधाटी तेजसकोटि सुरगणधाटी तेजसकोटि सुरगणधाटी धिम्मि धिम्मि धिन्न किडतक धिम्मि धिम्मि धिन्न किडतक धिम्मि धिन्न किडतक धिम्मि धिन्न किडतक धिन्न किडतक धिम्मि धिन्न किडतक धित्त किडतक धिम्मि धिन्न किडतक धित्ते किडतक धिम्मि धिन्न किडतक धित्त तेजसकोटि सुरगणधाटी तेजसकोटि सुरगणधाटी वन्दे शिव गौरी गजानन वन्दे शिव गौरी गजानन वन्दे शिव गौरी गजानन ताण्डवनृत्यकरी गजानन ताण्डवनृत्यकरी गजानन ताण्डवनृत्यकरी गजानन ताण्डवनृत्यकरी तत्ते धण्णत्तद्दिन्द दत्ते धण्ण झण्णुत्तं तथित्त तकत
That was Kuchipudi Nrityalam Foundation. दोस्तों, हम आए हैं हिंदुस्तान की आज़ादी के सेलिब्रेशन के लिए। इट्स पैनोरमा इंडिया, लेकिन तालियों से मुझे लग रहा है ये पैनोरमा इंडिया बना नहीं अभी तक। जब तक जोरदार तालियां नहीं हो जाए कैसे पता चलेगा हम पैनोरमा इंडिया में हैं। थैंक यू। अभी चलते हैं एक ऐसे स्टेट पे जिधर स्वयं मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम भगवान रामचंद्र का जन्म हुआ था। ऐसा प्रदेश जिससे एक नहीं दो नहीं सात प्रधानमंत्रियां मिली भारतवर्ष को। आप बता सकते हैं कौन सा प्रदेश है ये? विच स्टेट इट इज? जोर से। उम्मीदों का प्रदेश उत्तर प्रदेश। अपना उत्तर प्रदेश से आए हैं हमारे ऑपका ग्रुप। सो ऑपका ग्रुप इज रेडी टू प्रेजेंट अ फ्यूजन। ये लोग सिर्फ उत्तर प्रदेश नहीं बाकी सारे प्रदेश का मिठास लेके स्टेज पे आ गए हैं, छा गए हैं। और जब ही ये लोग थम्स अप देंगे हमारे ऑडियो इंजीनियर्स गाना बजाएंगे। गाना बजाने के लिए थम्स अप दीजिए, 2 दबाइए और शुरू कीजिए पैनोरमा इंडिया का ये प्रोग्राम। लेट्स गो।
इश्क बिना क्या मरना यारा, इश्क बिना क्या जीना।
दूध से मीठा इश्क इश्क, इमली से खट्टा इश्क इश्क। दूध से मीठा इश्क इश्क, इमली से खट्टा इश्क इश्क। वादा ये पक्का इश्क इश्क, धागा ये कच्चा इश्क इश्क। इश्क बिना क्या जीना यारो, इश्क बिना क्या मरना यारो, इश्क बिना क्या जीना यारो, इश्क बिना क्या मरना यारो। दूध से मीठा इश्क इश्क, इमली से खट्टा इश्क इश्क।
से ताल मिला हो, ताल से ताल मिला, ताल से ताल मिला हो, ताल से ताल मिला।
Your color and fracture the light. Look at you tonight. उठावे ते हनेरे घट दे उंगड़ा छुपा के तू धनक फिर दी की वे रब ने दो नाड़ा उते नीलम जड़े चम 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 के सितारे वर्गी चमन body why you pushing on me don't you in the body I can do this all week we'll be dancing till the morning go to bed we won't sleep chum chum के सितारे वर्गी your face your eyes is glowing like fireworks in the sky.
माइंड ब्लोइंग। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए ऑपका के लिए, अपने यूपी का ऑपका। Ladies and gentlemen, after OPCA, we have once again a tour of Kathak dancers. Get ready for an enchanting performance featuring the elegant Kathak Lucknow Gharana Ada, followed by a soulful recitation with a tribute to Lord Mahadev with a Shiv Stotram, presenting at Panorama India stage, Riyaz Kathak Dance Group. Let's go for number 15.
जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि ढगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणं मम नंदिनी विलास बंधु बंधुरसुरदिगंत संतति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापदि क्वचित् दिगंबरे मनो विनोद मेतु वस्तुनि ओम नमः शिवाय सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय। So you guys are representing Telugu culture. Har Har Mahadev.
There you go. That was Riyaz Kathak group presenting Kathak and a tribute to Lord Shiva with the Shiva Stotram. Our next group, we have a dance group which has Kuchipuri and Kolatam. A group of 10 beautiful dancers presenting a powerful celebration of Telugu culture through a dynamic fusion of the traditional Kuchipuri and Kolatam dance forms. Their dance represents the classical and folk traditions of the Andhra Pradesh and Telangana states in India. Their performance features 3 pan-India songs which are extremely popular. Pranavalaya, Kanna Nidurinchara and Bahubali title track from the grand epic film Bahubali. Draped in vibrant red saris and traditional jewelry, a typical Telugu traditional attire and necessary props, they are going to bring in energy and warrior festivity into Panorama India celebrations. Please put your hands together for this group, Vruksha Natalaya.
Pranavalaya Pahi Paripalaya Parameshi Kamalalaya Shri Devi Kuripinsave Karunamburasi Dhim Tara Dhim Dhim Tara Jatulato Praname Natyam Chese Gatulato Namashatam Mula Natulato Napaina Nichu Apela
जटाकटाह संभ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्प निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगत् धगत् धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रवि प्रतीक्षणं मम సంతతి ప్రమోదమాన మానసే కృపాకటాక్షధోరణి నిరుద్ధరుద్ధరావళి క్వచిత్ దిగంబరే మనో వినోదమే కువస్ఫురీ జటాభుజంగ పింగళ స్ఫురద్భణామణి ప్రభా కదంబ కుంకుమద్రవ ప్రళిప్త దిగ్వధూముఖే
మురిపాల ముకుంద సరదాల సనంద మురిపాల ముకుంద సరదాల సనంద మురిపాల ముకుంద సరదాల సనంద పొద పొదలోన తాగుడు మూతల పర ఎద ఎదలోన నటించింది చాలురా అలసట నిన్ను కోరి నిలుచుందిరా కన్నాని దురించరా నా కన్నాని దురించరా చిటికెన వేలిని కొండను మోసిన కన్నాని దురించరా కన్నాని దురించరా చిలికిన చెల్లెల కుంటలు దోచిన కన్నాని దురించరా కన్నాని దురించరా కన్నాని దురించరా నా కన్నాని దురించరా కన్నాని దురించరా నా కన్నాని దురించరా.
That was Vruksha Natalaya for you here at Panorama India. Our next performance would be a showcase of classical and folk culture of our state of India. It's a fusion of Bharatanatyam and Bollywood folk presenting in front of you. Once again, for Panorama India, we have SV School of Dance. Ladies and gentlemen, just to let you know, there are a lot of food vendors, a lot of other vendors. Please visit the stalls, enjoy the food, enjoy our music too. So now it's SV School of Dance. Wow, all synchronized walking. Left to left, right to right.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि सर्वराजाय गन्धाय सर्वगानश्रवणप्रणयिने गुणवते गणपतये एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
That was SV School of Dance. Picture time for them. And ladies and gentlemen, thanks to our sponsors. But one important announcement. We had the seniors. How many young people here? How many from the youth, including the dancers? Put your hands up. How many from the youth here? How many young people we have here from the age range of 29 to 16? or 16 to 29? How many people here? Just to let you know, Panorama India is starting a Panorama Youth Wing for the people from the age of 14 to 24 years. The Youth Wing will cater specifically to our young and enterprising Indo-Canadian youth who are dedicated to integrating our cultural values with the Canadian mainstream. It's for those who are passionate about preservation and propagation of Indian culture and value system and are geared towards bringing our intellectual, economic, and creative abilities as a community to the forefront. To register, please log on to our website, panoramaindia.org. No skills are required. All we require is your passion, is your commitment, and it will be a good learning experience. So please keep in mind, this is the Panorama India Youth Wing. Now, coming back to our cultural segment, let's scroll up and ask our stage managers, which is the next. We have Nritya Junction right behind me. My God, they have swords ready. Hope they don't charge me on that. Let me move out right there, because they are paying a tribute to those who protect our borders. When we sleep peacefully at night, who protect the borders of India, they're paying a tribute to our soldiers. Presenting Nritya Junction.
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है मन करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है कृष्ण की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है जीत की हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई वश नहीं क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड आरंभ है प्रचंड आरंभ है प्रचंड आरंभ है प्रचंड
That was Nritya Junction for you, paying a tribute to our soldiers who protect the borders. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up in front of you for Panorama India, for the flight, all from the north, from Gujarat, Maharashtra, we went all over. Now let us go straight down south to the land of Chennai Express. Yes, the land of Tamil Nadu. We have a group that are performing various different folk dances of that state with the theme of village festival of goddess Amman or goddess Durga, where families and communities united annually around harvest season. They pray for the annual agricultural production and also sing and dance and pay a tribute to Devi Durga for good rains and prosperity. As an offering, the dancers will incorporate different forms of folk dances such as Thappatam, Oilatam, and include properties to make their performance vibrant and energetic. Presenting for Panorama India Independence Day Festival. Look at these beautiful ladies with the thalis in their hand. Lasya dance work. Wow, look at dance, last year dance works. Ladies and gentlemen, round, round, round applause for them. Let's have a picture time. Our next group is a group of very, very tall dancers who are taller than me in height. The shortest dancers are even taller than me, as you can see. All the dancers behind me for the next group. All the dancers here are taller than me. This lady is taller than me. This guy is taller than me. Even the shortest one is taller than me. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you saw it right. You heard it right. We have the group of youngest dancers doing a fusion dance presentation for you. The group is called Gilded Glamour. Gilded Glamour is right here for you. Look at them, how immaculately dressed they are. And all of them, as I said, are taller than me. That was Gilded Glamour for you. Let's have a photo shoot with them. Let's have a photo shoot with them. Ladies and gentlemen, on the flight of India, let us go back to another state in the south, which is also called God's own country, where we have the backwaters. We are hearing it right. It's the state of Kerala. From the Keralas, we have Dancing Divas. And Dancing Divas are bringing Kerala's folk tradition here at the stage of Panorama India. Kai Kottikali by Dancing Divas right here in front of you. They're all ready. And our sound engineers, if you're ready, let's go. Give it a thumbs up for Dancing Divas.
അമ്പെടുത്ത് രാമനയണ നേരമതയും ലങ്കേശൻ രാവണന്റെ നെഞ്ചിലിടുക്കിയായി വല്ലാതെ മോഹമുണർന്നു മൈഥിലിയെ കട്ടതുകൊണ്ട് എന്തെല്ലാം മുകില് വന്നെന്റെ കൈലാസനാഥ കുഞ്ഞുമകൻ മേഘനാഥനും സോദരനും സർവരും തന്നെ വിട്ട് പോയതല്ലോ കാലപുരി തന്നിൽ പശ്ചാത്താപം നിറയണ് രാമന്റെ ശരമുനയാൽ മോക്ഷത്തിൻ പടികടക്കാൻ മോഹമുദിച്ചല്ലോ കാത്തരുളൂ ശ്രീരാമ പരമരുളൂ ശ്രീരാമ പ്രാർത്ഥന കേൾക്കാനിരിയും വൈകരുതേ നീ കാത്തരുളൂ ശ്രീരാമ പരമരുളൂ ശ്രീരാമ പ്രാർത്ഥന കേൾക്കാനിരിയും വൈകരുതേ നീ കൊയ്തെടുത്തു ശ്രീരാമൻ 3 4 ശിരസുകള് ദശമുഖനോ മോക്ഷത്തിൻ പല പടി കടന്നയ്യ കൊയ്തെടുത്തു ശ്രീരാമൻ ബാക്കിയുള്ള ശിരസുകള് ദശമുഖനോ മോക്ഷത്തിൻ വാതിൽ കടന്നേ അയ്യ വാനരപ്പടകളിലെങ്ങും രാമജയത്തിൻ അലയൊലിയല്ലോ ലോകരെല്ലാം പാടി സ്തുതിക്കുന്നു രാമ രാമ ജയ ശ്രീരാമ രാമ കാത്തരുളൂ ശ്രീരാമ പരമരുളൂ ശ്രീരാമ പ്രാർത്ഥന കേൾക്കാനിരിയും വൈകരുതേ നീ
നില്ലടിവന്നെ കനകപ്പൊൻ വള ഞാൻ തരാം കനകപ്പൊൻ വള കയ്യേലിട്ടു കളിച്ചാട്ടെ കളി കാണട്ടെ തുമുത്തും പൊന്നോല മൂളം വഴിയെന്ന് പൊന്നോല അണ്ടിമണ്ടവും പൊന്നോല വട ജയിച്ചു വന്നത് പൊന്നോല കൊല്ലത്തെ രാജാവേറി വന്നൊരു കള്ളക്കുതിരയും പട്ടാളും കൊല്ലത്തെ രാജാവേറി വന്നൊരു കള്ളക്കുതിരയും പട്ടാളും
വള്ളം കുതിര പോലെ ചമ്പക്കുളം പരുന്നുമ്പോൾ ചുണ്ടാനുമായി പാടനും ഭാഗം കാരിച്ചാലും ഒപ്പത്തിനൊപ്പം കൂടെ പിടിക്കും ആലിക്കും എല്ലോരും കറുകരും വള്ളപ്പാട്ട് പാടിയേലും കൂടെ തുണയും വള്ളം കളി വള്ളം കളി വള്ളം കളിയേ ഓളം പുള്ളിയേ
Hello. That was Dancing Divas for you, representing the state of Kerala. How many Keralites here? Let's have a round of applause for them. Dancing Divas for you. From Kerala, now we will move to the state which is of tea gardens, the state which has a rich cultural heritage, the state which is one of the iconic states in the Northeast, the state where Bharat Ratna Bhupen Hazarika ji was born. You heard it right, it's the state of Assam. So, we have Assam Sangho right here for you, presenting the cultural Bihu dance of Assam. All good, Ravi ji?
ए दोयांगोर दातीते ए मोदारे फूल फुलिले ए सराय देगे नदीले
That was Assam Sangho for you, Assam Sangho Canada. A lot of dancers I've worked with before. Now from the state of Assam, we'll move a little bit further into the east, the land which has produced a lot of freedom fighters and a lot of contributors to the history of India. The land of Durga Puja, the land of Dhak Dhol, the land of Mishti Doi, of course, the state of West Bengal. Now we have Alokita Dance Studio representing the state of West Bengal with their traditional Bengali folk dance, presenting Alokita Dance Studio. Pause, 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 pause. This was just a test run. Pause, pause, pause. Are you guys ready? There you go.
चल रे झमझमा झम बिस्टी भिजी चल हो काला रे झमझमा झम बिस्टी भिजी चल चल रे झमझमा झम बिस्टी भिजी चल हो काला रे झमझमा झम बिस्टी भिजी चल
লাল পাহাড়ের দেশে যা রাঙা মাটির দেশে যা লাল পাহাড়ের দেশে যা রাঙা মাটির দেশে যা এটাক তোকে মানাইছে না রে একেবারে মানাইছে না রে লাল পাহাড়ের দেশে যা রাঙা মাটির দেশে যা লাল পাহাড়ের দেশে যা রাঙা মাটির দেশে যা এটাক তোকে মানাইছে না রে মানাইছে না রে একেবারে মানাইছে না রে
That was Alokita Dance Studio. Thank you so much, representing the state of West Bengal. Ladies and gentlemen, just to let you know, all the other dancing groups right now, the photo operations we'll do downstairs, no more on stage. Just to save it on time, we'll do downstairs in front of the main media banner right there. We have our photographer there. We'll do the main photo ops there. Moving on to our next group is once again representing the state of Gujarat, a fusion of Dandiya and Garba. We have Hirkani group right here for you. Already look at their beautiful Gujarati attire there. Presenting for you at Panorama India, their celebrations, Hirkani group. That was Hirkani Group. Photo ops right there in front of the media wall, right? Next, we have a group which will give us Desi dance on Desi hits. We have all the Desi girls dressed up in Videsi attire. That's what I'll say. It's Desi hits, right? But the attire is Videsi. That's what's unique about them. So we have Hardy's Desi group all for you here at Panorama India.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. The already starts. Killing my eyes. The OG gangster. I love to the passion. To viral sensation. Representing nation. Pannakre hazar. This saadi simple. Tari this stylish. Tuja samor fiki baby Billy. Stylish to the diamond. Tuja saati kai. Pan tuja nakare hype. And I like it. Tuja nose print. Earring. Eyelashes bling bling. Highlight of blush on a lipstick. Pink pink. Emma jigar. Jane jigar. Chammak challo. Mein tuja king. जादू मंतर हाँ मंतर तुझा स्वैग ओजी हाय तुझे कंबर एक नंबर तुला शंभर पैकी एक नंबर तुझे कंबर हाय चाल शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझा डिंपल जे पाहिजे ते घे
Mangalamurthy. There you go, Hardy's Desi, great job. The only Desi dancers with Videsi attire, how can they pull it off? Only they know, but so good. Okay, round of applause for them, please. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will have the Rana group. Yeah, all the Ranajis, Rajasthani Association of North America. But they're bringing a twist to the flavor. We all love Bollywood. We have seen the evolution of Bollywood through the ages. They will be presenting the evolution of Bollywood dance throughout the ages. Starting from Helen, starting from Rekha, starting from all ages. You'll see it, what they present. So presenting Rana group at Panorama India stage.
हसीना जुल्फों वाले जाने जहां ढूंढती है काफिर आंखें किसका निशान महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहां महफिल ऐ शमा फिरती हो कहां वो अनजाना ढूंढती हूँ वो दीवाना ढूंढती हूँ जला कर जो छिप गया है वो परवाना ढूंढती हूँ
छत्ते